திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். எல்லாமுடையான் குருவாகி இங்கே யமதே அல்லல்லறுத்தான் என்றுந்தீபர அவன் தாழ் தொழுவாமின்றுந்தீபர. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified with the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified with the divine bliss. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind and soul and purifies them. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind and soul. They are purified. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind and soul. They are purified. We can think of our parents and gurus and get the blessings from them. Salutations to mother, father, and all the gurus. Now we are going to chant Om 5 times. First, we are giving importance to O. Om. Equal importance to O and Im. Om. Less to O. Om. Now we are omitting O and chanting Im only. Now we are omitting the sound also. Absolute silence. The calm stage of our mind. We are observing that Pranava Shakti all over the body by breathing out. Cleaning practice of our spinal cord. We close our left nose from the bottom of the spinal cord. We are inhaling along with our mind and Pranava Shakti to the top of the head through spinal cord. Now we are closing right nose, breathing out, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From the bottom of the spinal cord, we are bringing our mind and Pranava Shakti through our left breath to the top of the head. Now we close the left nose. We are exhaling and coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From there, we are inhaling, going upwards along with our mind and the Pranava Shakti to the top of the head. On the top of the head, we can visualize a small Sivalingam situated on the middle of our head, that is called the Jiva Shivan. We are inhaling and exhaling and visualizing the Sivalingam. Smaller and smaller than the Sivalingam in Chidambaram is on the top of our head. All over the world, we come across violence, indifference, wars, and all the disturbing elements for world peace. In the calm stage of our mind, we are chanting that Pranava Shakti, Omkar, with absolute silence, inhaling and exhaling. In this calm stage of our mind, we make our body a peaceful one. Always our limbs in our body, they should act only for the purpose of peace, mercy, philanthropic activities, friendship, integration, and calmness. We request the Almighty to support our obligation. All our limbs may always be acting for physical peacefulness. We can think of our psychic body. Within our body, there are many psychic activities. Because of that, many unwanted things are arising. Anxiety, anger, vengeance, superior and inferior complex, possessiveness, all the unwanted psychic activities within our body are being eliminated by the divine bliss with satisfying mentality, acceptability, forgiveness, chastity, equality, and philanthropic activity. All the unwanted psychic activities within us is being eliminated by the divine bliss. All our mind and body are being filled with the divine bliss. Now onwards, whenever we come across any aggressiveness in our body or in our mind, we can pray to the Almighty, please eliminate this unwanted things within me. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. We surrender ourselves to the Almighty to always be with us in all our activities. Now we extend our mind to the level of our family. We can think of our family members, friends, and relatives. All are being purified by the divine bliss. The divine bliss fills into them. Always give them the all good things and eliminate the bad things within them. They are also filled with satisfaction, acceptability, charity, philanthropic mind, chastity, equality, and we know all our family members are the children of the Almighty. We should not anger with each other. We should not quarrel with each other. We should not misunderstood each other. Now onwards, always there will be harmony within us and within our family and within our family members and also within our friends community. Always there should be a harmony in our relative circle. All are being filled with the Almighty. They know the value of harmony, friendship, brotherhood, and they are always blessed by the Almighty. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. We can think of our community. We extend ourselves to the Yoga community, and wherever we are living that community, the divine bliss is entering all over our community, all the persons, all the people, all the superiors, all the subordinates, all the co-workers, all of them are being filled with the divine energy. The divine energy enters into them, eliminates the unwanted things, anxiety, anger, superior, inferior complex, vengeance, and all other bad things within the community. Always, though we are in the different forms, different body, always our life force works like a limbs in our body. Always we will cooperate with each other. Always there should be a harmony within us. We can appeal to the Almighty for the well-being of ourselves and also for the harmony, unity, brotherhood within the community. We are all blessed by the Almighty with the divine bliss. Now onwards, always we will accept the small mistakes done by others, forgive them, and always we think the friendship, brotherhood, harmony is a worthy wealth we got in our life, just like a rose in the plant with thorns. We are neglecting the thorn and accepting the flower. We will always accept the good things, good habits, good characters in our community from all the people. Now onwards, further and further, we are getting closer and closer, and working in a team spirit for the welfare of our community. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. Now we can think of the country, whole country, all the citizens of our country, all the rulers, all the officials, all the members of the state and the country. They are also being filled with the divine energy. They are also feeling that they are also the sons and daughters of the Almighty, and always respect each other. Now onwards, all the citizens of our country working together for the well-being of ourselves and for the well-being of the nation. No one should quarrel with each other. There should not be any violence in the name of caste, color, creed, religion, and race. All the citizens in the country are being filled with the satisfactory mind, forgiveness, acceptability, adaptability, harmony, charity, chastity, philanthropic mind, and all the good habits. By the grace of our Almighty, our whole nation is being filled with this divine energy. We will develop the mentality of harmony, universal brotherhood, and the brothers and sisters mentality. All the citizens in the country are being blessed by the Almighty. Be blessed. We can extend to the level of the world globe. We can think of the all nations, all the citizens of all nations, all the living beings, all the human beings, all the human beings are the children of the Almighty. We will develop the awareness that we are all the children of the God. Always we will develop the universal brotherhood. Not only the human beings, but all the living beings in the world are also the children of the Almighty. We will respect all the creatures, all the living beings in the world. We will respect each other. We try to avoid anxiety, anger, vengeance, inferior complex, superior complex, violence, quarreling with each other. Onwards, all these bad habits, thinking, characters within us and also within the human beings are being eliminated by the divine bliss. All the persons in the world are realizing that we are all the children of the God. We are all brothers and sisters. We should not harm anybody at any time for any reason. Always the Almighty give us the strength to develop the forgiveness, satisfaction, chastity, charity, philanthropic mind, harmony, and all good habits within us. Now we can think of the whole world. We can appeal to the Almighty. Oh God, please grace us, show the blessings to us. The peoples in some countries are very much affected because of the racism, because of violence, because of the quarrel, because of the indifference. All these bad things should be eliminated by the grace of the God. Always the peace should prevail in this world. Harmony should prevail in this world. Brotherhood should prevail in this world. Always the divine bliss fills in the soul and helps us for harmonious life. In this calm stage of our mind, we can pray to the Almighty. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, and peace, and all the prosperities in our life. We can think of the family members, they are also being blessed by the Almighty. We can think of our friends and relatives, they are also being blessed by the Almighty. We can think of the persons, those who are related to related in our day-to-day activities, the superiors, subordinates, co-workers, they are also being blessed by the Almighty. Even we can think of the persons, those who are showing enmity on us and showing enmity on others, creating violence, quarrel, and all the things in the world. They are also being blessed with the Almighty, with good habits, good mentality. We can think of the whole world. The whole world may enjoy happiness, wisdom, and peace. வையம் நெடுக மமழை மண்ணுக மெய் விரும்பிக அன்பர் வழங்குக செய்வ நென்னறி தழைத்தினி தொங்குக தெய்வவென் திருநீரு சிறக்கவே திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். Slightly we can rub our palms and bringing our arm to the top of the head, apply it on our eyes, getting that spiritual energy in our palm through the eyes, spreading our palm all over the body, opening our eyes and see the right palm. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Pushparayan, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Anna Maria, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Karma Shanti, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Madaji, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Vishnu, Jo, Dukete, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Shiran Louis, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Kali Karan Barel, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Sri Devi, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Sumadi, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Kumari, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Swami Sugunananda, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Sundari, Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Steve Goodspeed, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Pushpa, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Bhaktananda, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Swami Sharadananda, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Hanuman, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Reverend Devaja and Bhuvaneswari, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Swami Vidyananda, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Pradeep Turai, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Jeff Kamen, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Host, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Jai Ryan, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Nishanti, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Navamani Balasubramanyam, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Satya, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Richard Greenstone, Potri Om Namah Shivaya, be blessed. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. Pushpa,
Yes, Swamiji.
thank you for attending this week. Sorry, and last week, because of the natural calamities, it is not possible to take part in the meditation, and request all of you, there should always harmony in Afghanistan, where many people are being killed by the terrorism. We can pray to the Almighty for the peace should prevail in Afghanistan. With this, we can conclude. Potri Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
Potri
you.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, bye, bye.
Bye.